DC 3-wire proximity sensor control output types are as screen. Output polarity according to control output is as screen. The wiring diagram of NPN proximity sensor is as screen. The model name of the proximity sensor used here is PLD18-14DN. Connect the power supply plus volt to the brown wire of the proximity sensor. Connect the power supply minus volt to the blue wire of the proximity sensor. Connect the black wire of the proximity sensor to the minus terminal of the lamp. Connect the power supply plus volt to the plus terminal of the lamp. Turn on the power supply. Connect the minus terminal of the tester to the blue line of the proximity sensor. Connect the plus terminal of the tester to the black line of the proximity sensor. The NPN normally open sensor outputs plus volt when not detected and 0 volt when detected. When not detected, the NPN normally open sensor outputs approximately plus 24 volt. When detected, the NPN normally open sensor outputs approximately 0 volt. If the voltage does not switch, the product may be damaged and require replacement.